Hey guys, welcome to Anonymity Decentralized community. I'm Leo Jane, the creator of this platform. So the first step is to install MetaMask. MetaMask is a tool that allows us to communicate with the blockchain and to make transactions. If you're on Firefox, go to the Firefox browser's add-ons and install the extension there. Same thing with the Chrome Web Store. If you're using Chrome, just click on Add Extension. And the next step is to go on nobodychain.io. This window should pop up automatically. If it doesn't, refresh the page or click connect account and it should pop up. This is basically telling you that we're using the Binance Smart Chain testnet. We're using the testnet right now, so you guys can test out the features without paying for the gas fee. But we'll be moving to the Binance Smart Chain or even the Ethereum blockchain pretty soon. So once we do that, you click approve. And you click switch network and you click next and connect. If you've done everything correctly, this should pop up the welcome to Nobody Decentralized community or the posts of other users. So since we're using testnet, we can do something like going to this website, the testnet.binance.org/faucets.smart. This basically gives you free BNB that you can use for testing purposes. So what you just do is to copy your address and you paste it in here and you click on give me 1 BNB. After it says funded, you go back to the Nobody Decentralized community and you click create a new post. You give your post a title, test title, and give it a body, test body. You can even put images. I have a nice image of a flower right here. So just click image, you enter the image URL, and the image should pop up. After that, you just click post, and you click confirm. Now if you check your MetaMask, you can see you already gave yourself some BNB. Because I've already given myself 1 BNB before, it's just 1.72 and done some testing. Now it tells you, hey, your transaction is confirmed. After that, you just click refresh feed and you can see your post. Thank you guys for checking out the Nobody Decentralized community and see you around.